Welcome to sqadia.com. We will be talking about immune response mechanisms in this video. What is immunity and its types? Immunity refers to the body's ability to prevent the invasion of pathogens. Pathogens are foreign disease-causing substances, such as bacteria and viruses. The immune system is designed to execute rapid, specific, and protective responses against foreign pathogens. Immunity is possible due to the work of immune cells. Cells of immunity are neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, dendritic cells, macrophages, mast cells, natural killer cells, and lymphocytes. There are 4 types of immunity: innate immunity, adaptive or acquired immunity, passive immunity, and active immunity are also known as immunization. Innate immunity refers to the immune response that you are born with, meaning that such a response does not require activation. The innate response is rapid as compared to the adaptive immune response. Adaptive immune responses require time to develop and are only developed after exposure to a particular pathogen. We will discuss that in detail at a later stage. Passive immunity is provided when a person is given antibodies to a disease rather than producing them through his or her immune system. Active immunity is developed through immunization. The focus of our video would be innate and adaptive immunity. So stay tuned and watch our next section to learn more.